biryani masala, salt, dhania zara and red chili powder. Take a rice for soaking according to your need and family members. Take 2 large-size onions, and for tomatoes, chop finely. Take 1 full-size chicken. Make chili garlic paste. Cumin, cloves, cinnamon stick, black pepper, salt. Add all these ingredients into hot water. Drain the soaked rice and add it to the boiling water. Cook until the rice is 70-80 cooked. Drain the rice and set aside. In a pan, heat oil or ghee. Add sliced onions and fry until golden brown. Add chopped tomatoes and cook until they soften. Add all the spices. Add half-fried chicken, cover and cook until the chicken is tender and the gravy thickens. In a large pot, add oil to avoid stickness. Spread a layer of cooked rice. Top it with a layer of the chicken mixture. Repeat the layers, finishing with a layer of rice on top. Food color and sprinkle lemon and green chili. Dish out with some pakora and chana chaat, and here your after special biryani is ready. Thanks for watching.